Hey guys, it's your boy, Mr. Luke Evan Brooks. Welcome to another edition to the show, Passive Income Central. If you're new to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Today we're going to talk about things to avoid when starting on Turo. A lot of guys want to know, a lot of girls want to know, like, what do I need to avoid when I get on Turo? And this is going to be a short little video, so I just want to get right down to the point. One of the things that I avoid now, it goes various ways. Because when you say avoid, like, what do you mean by avoid? I'm going to go with customers. It's going to be crazy because doing this in a short period of time I have with Turo itself, it's been some crazy, crazy customers, right? I had customers that seem off, right? And you can do manual approvals with Turo, where meaning that they just won't let it go through. You can manually say, hey, I will review this. I want to know if this person is legit or not. Or you can do automatic approval process. I like doing automatic approval process, but there's a hack to it. It's a way to make sure that this is done right. Now, the main thing that I do is basically set the price correctly. You set the price correctly, no matter what they're saying, crazy people know the value of money. They know that if you set it at a high premium price, depending on your vehicle, you don't want to set it too high. You set it at a premium price, you're going to swave off a lot of customers who ain't got their money together and going through some crazy stuff. I had a customer who basically, and I'll just give you a story here. I had a customer who wanted to use the vehicle for a day and get a full refund. Now, he didn't mention anything was wrong with the vehicle when he started off. It's when it came to the second day, he started making all these issues, saying the car was like this the whole time. Your car doesn't brake right, it doesn't brake, things like that. And prior to the rental, he's just start asking all these questions. Give me the address, give me the key box code right now. It's like, I'm not giving you all that, because the reason being, Turo has a policy on the time limits on when you're supposed to give out the code box. And then for the address,